What's up, adventurers? Bit of a weird one today. Not really going on an adventure, but just doing some housework. Behind me, there's a lot of weeds, some trees. I bought this house maybe about 2 years ago, and about a year ago, almost, my brother bought the house behind me, and our plan was to sort of connect the backyards together. The weather has been relatively hot, so we've kind of waited. It's cooled down now. It's actually a pretty warm day today, so not too happy about that. But we're gonna try and cut back these weeds and these trees and see if we can connect the backyards. Not sure how far we're gonna get, but we're gonna do our best. So as you can see, there's quite a bit. You could probably see the house back there through the trees. So hopefully we'll be cutting down a large majority of this. We've got some left over from when we did it before. Might be burning that while I'm cutting. But I've got pretty much all electric things. Chainsaw, weed eater, hedge clippers. So hopefully that should be enough to get to work on this. Well, the chain came off, so that's fun. We'll have to put it back on. Not really sure what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. Alright, well, let's try to put this back on. Try not to slice our hand up. It's just kind of putting it on there. Figuring it out as you go. It's not hard. Just try not to slice your fingers up, right? That's the main safety concern. Now, is this the hard part? I'm sure I'm doing it the most difficult way. Oh man, I've got oil. That's fine. I think I should have loosened the chain. Oh, there we go. Well, it's on there, so put this cover back on. That's probably good. We're gonna run and see what happens. That's gonna do it for this interesting adventure. I'm Jason. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, consider liking the video and possibly subscribing so you don't miss another adventure.